Getting reviews for your paperback, your low content, your medium content, your journal, your coloring book, that just got stupidly easy. I'm so excited about this video because this is something I've been asking them for a while to come out with, and this has just made getting reviews so simple again. Let's go. Hey everybody, it's Emeka, and I'm really excited about this video because today I'm gonna be talking about Book Bounty being back. So we gotta talk about what happened with Book Bounty over the last little bit and why I am getting reviews using Book Bounty right now. My books are in the library getting reviews. So Book Bounty has been one of the go-to book review services in the last little bit for a self-publisher. Then Amazon decided to shake the earth last year and said, hey, we're just gonna cause a whole bunch of chaos for you guys. And you know what? It's Amazon, they can do whatever they want. We're playing in their playground, so to speak. We're in their sandbox, and they make these changes every couple of years. This is nothing new. And I was one of the largest promoters of Book Bounty. I all of a sudden said, pump your brakes. I'm not using them anymore. And I refused to use them for the longest time because I didn't deem them as safe as possible. And I'm extremely conservative when it comes to my Amazon account health. And the last thing I want to deal with is Amazon. So I don't like taking risks. And so I wasn't using Book Bounty to get any more reviews. I had a bunch of points saved up and I was like, all right, well, we're gonna have to wait and see. They finally came out with something that is fully aligned with Amazon's terms of service now. And that is getting paperback reviews. The way this works is you are able to put your book up on Book Bounty, and then the person who would like to read and review your book is now required to go and buy a physical copy of your book, get it shipped to their home, read it, and leave a review. That's exactly what Amazon's always wanted. And so now by doing this, it sends Amazon the correct signal. Customer is buying a book, a week or two later, they left a review. You don't get any more legit than that. And there are some negatives about it. It's not really negatives. It just changes the bar, so to speak, because there is an associated time and cost that goes along with this. One being you have to buy the book on Amazon. You have to buy the physical copy. No ebook, no Kindle Unlimited, none of that. You're buying the physical copy, so it's getting shipped to your actual house. Actually, sweetie, why don't you show me, throw me that book that just showed up? The coloring book there, yeah, thanks. Right? So this is a coloring book here that was ordered, and we're gonna color a page, we're gonna leave a review, we're going to post it on Amazon because that's what real customers do. And that's what's so great. Don't mind the heat, it's really hot right here. If you wanna publish a book on Amazon and make money from it, I got this for you. I'm running a free 3-day Publish and Profit Challenge. By the end of it, you'll have a book published on Amazon and making your first sales. I've been publishing for over 9 years. I've published hundreds of books, helped thousands of people do the same. If you don't know where to start, or you can't find a profitable topic, or you just don't want to waste time or money, this is for you. Day 1 is finding your topic, creating your book title, getting your cover locked in. Day 2, it's all about building your book. It's doing the research, creating the outline, and writing your entire book. And then day 3, polishing your book, publishing it on Amazon, and showing you how to generate your first sales. And this is free. I'm showing you the exact way to build this business without having to hide it behind a paid course. And to show you how simple this is, my 10-year-old daughter has even published her own book using this exact same framework.
Actually, Daddy, I promise free.
You're also gonna get my free support group, and you're gonna get the custom GPT that I built specifically to help you with this challenge. Just click the link in the description or go to publishingacademy.com/challenge. You'll get an email. It'll be the link to get into the school group. In the classroom section, everything's laid out. Go do it now. So this is great because the benchmark in some of my older videos I've talked about, like, you need 100 reviews. That's just not the case anymore. We need way less, like 50 reviews. But this allows you, using Book Bounty, this allows you to get reviews, 10 to 20 paperback verified purchase reviews. The best type of reviews you can get. But you also, because people are getting the physical copy of your book, you're gonna get way more photos and video reviews as well. And that's another big perk, because those reviews are extra sticky, as we call them in the space, meaning they're a lot harder for Amazon to remove because there's actual physical evidence that the real purchase was made. And I want to be crystal clear. I still won't use Book Bounty for just ebooks. Like I won't do it. There was a certain risk factor there. And like I said earlier in the video, I'm too conservative to play around with that. But I will do it with their verified purchase. And to do that, it's really simple. You just go to the Bounty library, you go look for verified purchase print. You can even search by price. Now, note, when I'm doing this, I'm pricing my book at the cheapest price possible. When I launch the book, I don't care about profits. There's profits are second. I care about the marketing plan. The marketing plan is getting reviews. And so if I'm doing this, I'm going to price my paperback at the lowest possible price that Amazon will let me price it at in order to get the reviews that I want from Book Bounty. And so you can select whatever price you want. The higher the price, the more points you're going to be using. So if I select $9.99, I'm going to see a whole bunch of books for $9.99. I can go and get this satisfying covers, patterns, too, and I can choose this bounty, and then there's going to be two check boxes that you check. I'll buy the physical copy from Amazon. I understand I have a 12-day review window, and you start reading, and then you're good to go. That's it, right? And then you go ahead and read through it. You leave your review, mark it done on Book Bounty, submit your proof or your evidence, and you're good to go. And then you'll collect whatever points that gives you there. I think 4,200 right there. Simple. Really, really simple. But I'm so excited about this option because nobody was actually doing this in the space. An old site, Book Blaze, was, but it was really clunky and not too many people were using it. Book Bounty has one of the largest user bases compared to any of the websites that do this type of service. And so this is a way that we're going to be able to get some solid reviews for our paperbacks finally. And even more impressive, all of you who have been struggling to get reviews for your coloring books, your word searches, your journals, all of those lower content books, you can now do it through Book Bounty, through the verified purchase print is what it's called there. And that's massive. That's a game changer. So this is right in time as we start thinking about Q4. This is your chance to start getting those solid reviews with videos and pictures for those books that you know are going to be crushing it over the holidays. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time to film a quick little blurb on the updates Book Bounty's come out with. We'll probably do a more in-depth video of how to use it. I feel like in-depth videos on how to use review sites are just an insult to your intelligence, if I'm being completely honest. Because I'm like, if you were able to find this video on YouTube, on the internet, like you can navigate through their sites. They're not complicated, right? So, but anyways, guys, I just want to give you that quick little update there. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. As always, I'm a Mecca. Peace.